Hi, I'd like to book a flight to London for next Friday.
One way or round trip?
Round trip. I'll return the following Sunday.
Morning or evening flight?
Morning, please, and I'd like a window seat.
Great. That'll be $380.
I'll pay by card.
All set. Here's your confirmation.
Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Yes, here's my passport and booking confirmation.
Do you have any checked baggage today?
Just one suitcase.
Great. Would you prefer a window or aisle seat?
I'd prefer a window seat if possible.
Perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard. Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here you go.
You're in seat 12A, just down that aisle on the left.
Thanks.
Hi there. Looks like we're seatmates.
Hi, I'm James.
Nice to meet you, James. First time flying to London?
Yep. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Just sit back and enjoy the flight.
Hello. Would you like chicken or pasta for your meal?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Sure. And to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Here you go. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you.
I got the chicken. It's not bad.
Here you are. And we'll be landing in about an hour.
Wow, time went fast.
Told you. It's not that scary.
Hello. Where are you headed?
Hi, could you take me to the Central Hotel, please?
The Central Hotel, right? No problem.
How long will it take?
It should take about 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great stay.
Lexi Lingua, your English bestie.